Hey, Mark with Hothead Headliners here. We are in a Bronco 4-door with the Sunrider top on it, and we are going to show how to install our new headliner. So the first thing we're going to do, the only thing you're going to have to buy is alcohol. Denatured alcohol, rubbing alcohol, it's all kind of the same thing. Get yourself a nice rag, wet it. Don't do it inside, do it outside. Make sure you squeeze the rag so you don't drip any alcohol in your Bronco, which you don't want to do. And then we're going to clean these couple spots. We're going to clean right up in here, so you don't want this latched, you want it loose. We're going to put a piece of Velcro right along the inside of this. So you take your rag and you wipe it really good. And we're just going from here to here. So that's all we need to wipe, from there to there. And then we're going to do two little pieces, one right here and one on the other side. They're just really small. Now we've already cleaned those spots, so we're not going to do it again. Okay, so there's a trick to doing this. This piece is just about exactly from corner to corner. So what you're going to do is peel just a little bit of it back, have that going up, the carrier on the back going up, and then I'm going to slide it in place. And all I'm worried about is this one spot, the first spot. I want it right even, the top of it right even with the top of this. And I'm going to push down. Okay, now that's stuck right here. And all I got to do is, you can see it right here. I'm going to make it so the Velcro's even. And then I'm going to pull this out. Reach in, push down. Again, make sure it's even with the top. Pull, push down. It would be a lot easier if it wasn't right there. Push down, and then that last little bit. And then you're going to take your carrier and reach in there and push it down really good. If you just slide your fingers across it without using the carrier, it's very sharp. It'll make your fingers raw or cut them. Okay, the next thing we're going to install, you're going to get a couple of these. They're about 2.5 inches by 2. They just go on this little spot right here. There's a little bracket right there, and that just anywhere in between there. And it's going to wrap right around the bars. Just feel it. Try to center it. It's pretty easy. Again, take your carrier. Push it down really good. Okay, you're going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. There's already a piece there, as you can see. Okay, the next piece, you're going to get a piece of this, which is called Velcro one wrap. One side's looped, the other side's hooked. Now it's going to install right inside this. So you're going to open this up. Okay. This is loop right here, so you're going to take the hook side. Oh yeah, it's 1 inch wide. You're going to go right to the edge of it like that. So what you're going to have is you're going to have 1 inch of this sticking out. And I'm going to start right at the edge. Perfect. And then I'm just going to lay it in there. Push it down. Push it down. Just go right across. Doing that. It's probably easier to get out and jump into the other side, but I don't want to do that. Okay, so now you're just going to pull this closed and close it. Now this thing wasn't super tight to start with. It just kind of holds the top when you open it. And basically here's what you end up with. You end up with it look just like before, except now you have this little inch piece of Velcro with a hook side down. And this is it's kind of a really tight hook. It doesn't feel like normal, but it sticks really good. Okay, so the last piece of Velcro that we're going to put in goes right up here. Now you got your rag. It's got alcohol on it. You're going to wipe it all off really good. Let it dry. Throw your rag outside. This is another piece of Velcro adhesive back hook. Now it goes from right here to the same spot right there, basically. So this piece is just long enough for that, you can see. And where it's going to go almost to the back of this. all the way here. So again, we're going to start with just a little bit. Don't pull all the carrier off. It'll stick to itself and then you'll be in trouble. You can feel with your finger that you're just about to the back edge. Just get a little bit up started. Don't worry about going down here yet.
Can't really see what you were talking about.
Okay, but you'll see it more. It's this back edge that I'm talking about. We got it right at the back edge, right at that notch right here on the other side. So you get just a little bit of it started, and you pull some of the carrier off. Go like this. Again, almost to the back. A little bit. There's a bee. Okay, we just go a little bit at a time, putting it almost to the back edge. There's a bee flying around here. Okay, so once we get it like that, we're going to take this carrier and we're going to push it right slowly down into that, over that little hill. Okay, now it's going over a bunch of these screw heads. And just cut right around it. See that? We're just going to do that on all the ones that stick up real bad. Any decent scissors will cut this stuff. And if you didn't cut it, it wouldn't be the end of the world. It would be totally fine. When you get them all cut, and just go and push it all down. I'm not going to cut them all right now for the sake of video length, but you can see it just cuts right around. Okay, so this is the front. This is exactly the same distance between those right there, you can see. So what we want to do is install this up in here. And the way to do that, we just want the first half of it going down in there. So we're going to take and we're going to just fold it right in half, right, with the Velcro, and get a nice seam. Now, and if you're going to do it the other way, if you're installing it with this side down, all you're going to do is exactly the same thing, except fold it exactly the other way and then slip it on. But we're going to show it installed this way. So get as good as fold in it as you can. And then basically we see the Velcro, so this is how we know it's centered. And we're just going to go right up. And you can feel it on the ends, but it's going to go right down over that. You can kind of feel, I can feel that it's right on that lip. And I'm just pushing it down against that Velcro there. Okay? These just kind of stick up in there, either side. And from there, you can also check that it looks pretty even up here. You want it to look pretty even, and it does. If you think it needs to be a little more forward, you can kind of do it a little more over the edge. But once you got it right there, it's stuck in the front. This is going to stick right to here. And it basically, the end of this goes right to the end of that, if you can see. And you're just going to stick it. Can you see up in there?
Mm-hmm.
And kind of push it down. I'm pushing on the other side too, and kind of sandwiching those. And you're just going to push this up in there, push that up in there. Same thing on the other side. Okay, now those little tabs that we put in, if you just push up right here, those will stick. If you can see up in there. Just gives you a little more coverage. Okay, so now we're going to flip it open and show how to put the back. So what you do now, you just open your top up, and this piece is in the back, you're just going to flip this over and basically put it right to the back of this, and then push down. You don't have to like try to get it super far back. It just kind of tucks right in there. It's very easy to kind of tuck right in. You push it down, and now part of this Velcro is loose, so that will go over that hump really good and not try to pull. Don't try to go all the way to the end, just go about right to there. Push down nice and firm. Okay, now that's it, and that's all you got to do. And that works either way, if you're doing it either side, with the marine side down or the fabric side down. It's exactly the same. Just reach up. There's a grab handle there. Pull your top shut. You'll feel it kind of doing that. Now this is a brand new top, so it's super tight. So in order to get this latched, let's see if I can do this side. In order to get this latched, I got to crank down, and this is just because this Sunrider's brand new, and when they're brand new, they're really tight. And there you go. This is installed. You flip it back, you could drive on the freeway. I don't know how fast you want to drive with the Sunrider top open, but it will stay in place. You can flip it over, works exactly the same. If you're going to go in the sun, don't have the fabric side down, because it will be in the sun and it fades fairly quick. So flip it over in the summertime when you're going to be flipping your top back and forth.